Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is not just another review. This is an experience. A moment to admire what happens when art meets engineering, when passion meets precision. Today, we are looking at the 2025 Pagani, in an absolutely jaw-dropping white finish. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Buckle up. Let's go for a journey into pure automotive poetry. The 2025 Pagani, known unofficially as the Huayra Evo, takes everything we loved about the Huayra and the Zonda and elevates it to another dimension. Engine, 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 sourced from AMG Power, 850 horsepower torque, 1100 Nm 0 to 100 km/h, just under 2.7 seconds top speed, 386 km/h transmission, 7-speed sequential gearbox weight, just 1,280 kilograms thanks to the new Carbo titanium Monocoque chassis. But numbers don't tell the full story. This car isn't just about speed. It's about soul. The white on this Pagani isn't just paint, it's elegance frozen in motion. This particular shade is called Bianco Astral, and it's layered over the carbon fiber body in a way that makes every panel look like it's sculpted from light itself. From the signature quad exhaust to the butterfly doors, every angle is a talking point. Active aero flap stands as you drive. Every curve is aerodynamically functional. Even the side mirrors inspired by the eyes of a falcon. This is a car designed in an art studio, not a wind tunnel. Step inside, and you're in the cockpit of a futuristic steampunk spaceship. The interior of the 2025 Pagani is a jewel box of materials: brushed aluminum, hand-stitched Italian leather, exposed gear linkage, and titanium everything. The attention to detail is obsessive. The speedometer is analog, because digital would be too ordinary. The seats are sculpted like art pieces. The pedals are carved from a single block of aluminum. Even the air vents look like turbine engines. And oh, the smell! That rich scent of hand-finished leather hits you like entering a luxury watch boutique. Let's talk comfort. Now, is this a Rolls-Royce? No. But for a hypercar it's shockingly refined. The ride, thanks to the active suspension system, is adjustable. In comfort mode, it soaks up bumps reasonably well. Even city driving is doable. Seats are snug but not punishing. Cabin noise is minimal, thanks to acoustic insulation. It even has a surprisingly user-friendly infotainment system custom developed for Pagani. However, make no mistake, this car still communicates everything. Every rev, every bump, every change in surface, it's raw, it's honest, and yet somehow, still serene. Now comes the thunder. Put it in sport or track mode, and the Pagani awakens like a beast. That V12 roars, not screams, but roars with a deep, soulful note. Acceleration is violent but composed. It feels like the road is being pulled underneath you. Gear shifts mechanical and immediate. There's no delay, no slush. The steering, oh the steering, it's telepathic. You think it, and the car does it. And the brakes, carbon ceramic discs that could stop time itself. On the track, this is where the Pagani truly sings. Aero flaps adjust in real time, planting the car through corners like it's on rails. Every moment behind the wheel reminds you, this isn't just fast, it's intimate speed. The kind that speaks to your soul. The 2025 Pagani isn't just a car, it's an emotional experience. It's what happens when an artist like Horacio Pagani dares to dream, and then dares to build that dream with carbon fiber, titanium, and fire-breathing horsepower. In white, it becomes almost angelic, a paradox of power and purity. It's not practical. It's not affordable. But it was never meant to be. It exists to remind us what happens when limits are ignored and imagination is given a blank check. Would you daily drive it? Probably not. Would you dream about it every night? Absolutely. And that, my friends, is the beauty of Pagani. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if this white beast stole your heart too. Until next time, stay driven.